try out these Riley's surface bats. Today we're going to try and use them on some bass. Just grab one out. Just had a bass just here rise, so we're feeling pretty damn confident. But anyway, here we go. It has these little wings. When you cast, they'll close up like so, allow it to move through the air. When it lands, they'll open up like that. As you retrieve it, it'll have a bit of a walk. It'll float on the surface, and I've got a feeling that's going to work a little bit better later on when the sun goes down a bit. But, yeah, so there we go. Might try it now actually. Saying that. Yep, that was a boil. Oh! Did you get that? That was a bit more like, wasn't it? Did you boil up on it the first time? Yeah. Alright. Just action shot as well, fighting and shit. I don't think it's a real big fish, but it's a fish. Oh, he's not too bad. Get him up away from the water. If you look at that lure in there, it's the Riley bat doing this thing. How much you can see with that light. We're trying out these Riley's wing bats, and just landed this nice fella. It's actually about the third or fourth fish we've got tonight. The others are a bit smaller. There you go, so you can see that lure. Out. As you can see the hook stick,